Hi, hello, my name is Balu. JavaScript is the programming language that brings websites to life. It adds interactivity and fun to web pages by enabling functionality like buttons that respond when clicked, pop-ups with messages, or dynamic content updates, all without refreshing the page. Working alongside HTML, which structures the web page, and CSS, which styles it, JavaScript creates engaging user experiences. It runs directly in your web browser, so no additional software is needed to see it in action. For example, when you click on a menu and it drops down or play a simple browser game, that's JavaScript at work. It's versatile, running on both the front end and back end, and learning it is essential for anyone interested in web development. Now, let's explore some of its key concepts. Variables. Variables are the building blocks of JavaScript, used to store and manage data. First, we have var. Declaring a variable with var gives it a scope tied to the nearest function or globally. For example, var x equals 10. Inside a block, if you reassign x, it changes globally as well. Next is let, which is similar but limited to block scope. For example, let x equals 10. Change it inside a block, and the original value remains unaffected outside the block. Finally, const is used to declare constants, variables that cannot be reassigned once defined. For example, const pi equals 3.14. It's great for fixed values like mathematical constants. Arrays. An array in JavaScript is a special variable that holds multiple values in one place. Arrays are zero-indexed, meaning the first element starts at position 0. For example, let fruits equals. You can add elements dynamically using push or remove them using pop. Arrays can store any data type, making them incredibly versatile. Want to loop through the values? Use a for loop or other iteration methods to make it easy. Functions. Functions in JavaScript are reusable blocks of code designed to perform specific tasks. For example, function greet. You can pass inputs, called parameters, and return outputs. For instance, function add. JavaScript also allows shorthand arrow functions like let multiply equals a asterisk b. Functions can even have default parameters for flexibility. Objects. Objects are collections of key value pairs, used to group related data and functionality. For example, let person equals. You can access properties using dot notation or bracket notation. Objects are fundamental for managing structured data in JavaScript. Loops. Loops help automate repetitive tasks by running code multiple times. The for loop is great for running a block of code a specific number of times. While loops repeat as long as a condition is true, and do while guarantees at least one execution. For working with arrays, the for of loop is handy, while the loop is perfect for iterating over object properties. Conclusion. And that's an introduction to JavaScript, one of the most popular and powerful programming languages today. From variables to loops, functions to objects, JavaScript provides the tools to create dynamic, interactive, and engaging web experiences. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up your skills, mastering JavaScript is a step towards unlocking endless possibilities in web development.